Welcome to Lighthouse Worship. My name is Hugo. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play the song Reason to Sing by Sons and Daughters. All Sons and Daughters. I'm debating whether I should do it in regular key or... I think for this tutorial we're going to just do original key. But no, it's suited better for a girl. So yeah, let's get right into it. This is going to be in the key of D, by the way. The key of D. When the pieces seem to shatter, to gather off the floor, and all that seems to matter, 'cause I don't feel you anymore. No, I don't feel you anymore. 'Cause I need a reason to sing. 'Cause I need a reason to sing. I need to know that you're still holding the whole world in your hands. 'Cause I need a reason to sing. 'Cause I need a reason to sing. I need to know that you're still holding the whole world in your hands. So that's the first two parts of the verse and the chorus. We'll go into the bridge later. So yeah, very simple. You're just playing D and G. And you want to do a walk down B minor, A, G. Yeah, so if you don't know how to play your chord D, I'll show the little icon right there. But to explain it visual, I know there's some people that are visual and they need to see it like visually. But yeah, so it's gonna be your ring, your middle finger. You're gonna have it at the very bottom, second fret. Right, it should sound like that. You're gonna have your ring finger on the third fret, and then the second to last string. Should sound like this. Okay. And then you're gonna have your index finger on the second fret and the third string. Should sound like this. So together, right, it should make this type of shape right there. And it should sound like that. You're gonna strum all strings, right? So that's your D. That's your D chord. All of these are D shapes. Don't want to learn D shapes? You could put your capo on the first fret, and then that's also a D. And then you would just play F shapes, right? But we're gonna go straight to the D shapes. And then you're gonna go to your G chord, right? So it's gonna be your middle finger, very top string, your index finger on the second fret, second string. Should sound like this, right? Yeah, so the first one is, I'm sorry, I didn't say. First one's gonna be third fret, middle finger. The next one will be second fret, index finger, right? Those should be the top two. And then everything else is going to be open. The only things you're going to have is your pinky and your ring finger. Your pinky will be the very bottom on the third fret. And then you're going to have your ring finger, third fret, and second to last string. It should sound like that, right? And then all together, that's your G shape, your G chord, right? So, yeah, you're gonna, for the intro, you're gonna go from D to G, D to G, and then they're gonna start with the verse with when the pieces seem to shatter, right? And then you're gonna go to your B minor, which is a little bit complicated, but practice it, get used to that feeling. This is a kind of like a bar chord. That's why I said it was easier if y'all do it with the capo, but we're gonna go to the basic chords. So to play your B minor, this is a B minor. This will be your 6 in the D, in the key of D. This will be your 6, your B minor. So you're gonna be barring with your index finger. You're gonna be barring the 2nd fret, but you're gonna be leaving the top string open. So you would be only muting. You would be only pressing down on all the other strings, right? Then your next finger will be your middle finger, which you're gonna put the 2nd to last string, okay, on the 3rd fret. And then it should sound like this. I'll play real quick, okay? And then your ring finger is gonna be on the 4th fret and the 3rd string, okay? And then the pinky is gonna be right underneath that, and it should sound like this. Okay, and then together you got your B minor chord. So you're gonna play your B minor chord. Make sure you practice it, get comfortable with it, because it is a little complicated to play. But yeah, so you're gonna play your B minor, and then you're gonna play your A chord, which your A chord is pretty simple. So remember how the B minor, you have to put a bar the 2nd fret. So you're gonna drop that down 1, and you're gonna be playing only these 3 strings. And you can either press down with 1 finger, which that's what I usually do because it's easier, or you can use all 3 fingers, and they're all on the same fret. You're gonna be playing your 3rd, 4th, and 5th string. Okay, it should sound like that. You could also do that. Okay, so that's your A chord. Right, B minor to your A, and then to your G chord. So we already went over the G, and then it's gonna be again the same thing. When the pieces seem to shatter, to gather off the floor. So that is called a walk down. You're walking down from B minor, A, G. So yeah, so that part is a little quick, so you gotta practice that. B minor, A, G. And all that seems to matter is I don't feel you anymore. Right? B minor, A, G. Again, you're gonna do it twice. Is I don't feel you anymore. So usually when they do things twice like that, that's called a tag. You're tagging the same verse twice, so you will be playing the same chords twice. And then you're gonna, as I don't feel you anymore, you're gonna go after that, you're gonna go to your A, which that's setting you up for the chorus. So yeah, so I need a reason. You're gonna play your D to sing G, okay? 'Cause I need a reason to sing, right? I need to know that you're still holding the whole world in your hands. So on the chorus, you're gonna repeat the B minor, A, G, and then back to your A, okay? So yeah, the progression kind of changes a little bit. So you're gonna play your B minor to your A to your G. Victory, you're singing over me like yeah, so that's how the bridge is gonna go. It's just B minor, A, G, and then you'll be building up with the A. Okay. So you're singing. So your piece is a melody. You're singing over me now. And then it drops right there on the A. 'Cause I need a reason to sing. 'Cause I need a reason to sing. I need to know that you're still holding the whole world in your hands. I'm gonna go over the strumming pattern for the song. So for the bridge, it's gonna be so down, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, up. So there be a victory. You singing over me now. Down, up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And then so once it starts building up, just down strumming. There be a victory. And if you want to build up even more, you can go up, down, up, down. That's pretty much the whole song. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please, if y'all want to put a comment down below to give me some ideas. What y'all want to look? What kind of videos y'all want to see? Hopefully, I can make more in the future. Still figuring out the whole camera thing and lighting thing. You know, YouTube's new to me, but thank you guys for watching. I'll see you out in the next one. Peace out.